Welcome to our deep dive into the intersection of AI and democracy. Today, we're examining Perplexity's bold move, launching an election information hub just days before the US presidential election.
It's definitely raising eyebrows in the tech world. We've got multiple perspectives to unpack here, from Perplexity's ambitious vision to some serious concerns from technology experts and researchers.
Let's break down what this election hub actually is. Perplexity has created a dedicated section in their search engine that offers AI-generated answers to election questions, candidate summaries, and starting November 5th, they'll be providing live election results.
And they're partnering with some heavy hitters, right?
Exactly. They've teamed up with the Associated Press for live results and Democracy Works for voter information. But here's where it gets interesting. While Perplexity is diving in headfirst, other major AI companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Microsoft are deliberately staying away from providing direct election information.
That's a pretty significant contrast. What's driving their caution?
Recent research from independent technology researchers found that over a third of election-related responses from leading AI chatbots contained inaccuracies. And we're already seeing some concerning glitches in Perplexity's hub.
Like what kind of glitches?
Well, there have been instances of incorrect candidate information, outdated campaign status updates, and some unusual content showing up in candidate profiles. These issues highlight the challenges of using AI for sensitive political information.
So, how do we approach a tool like this? Should voters just avoid it entirely?
It's not about avoiding it completely. It's about understanding its limitations. Think of it as a research assistant rather than the final authority. The key is verification, cross-reference information, check multiple sources, and maintain a healthy skepticism.
This raises a bigger question about responsibility. Who's accountable for ensuring accuracy in AI-generated election information?
It's really a shared responsibility. Perplexity needs to be transparent about their systems and bias mitigation efforts. Platforms need clear guidelines about misinformation, and users need to develop strong media literacy skills.
Speaking of media literacy, what specific skills should voters be developing?
Critical thinking is crucial. This means questioning sources and claims, recognizing our own biases, cross-referencing information, understanding the limitations of AI, engaging with diverse viewpoints.
And let's not forget the emotional aspect. Elections are already stressful. Adding AI to the mix can amplify anxiety and distrust.
Absolutely. That's why it's important to practice digital self-care. Take breaks from online spaces, engage in real-world conversations, build connections with trusted sources, maintain perspective on AI's role.
As we wrap up, what's the key takeaway for our listeners?
Tools like Perplexity's Election Hub can be valuable resources, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. The real power lies in combining technology with human judgment, critical thinking, and active civic engagement.
And as we head into this election season, staying informed, engaged, and thoughtful about our information sources has never been more important. Thanks for joining us today.